Welcome back, students. So now we are going to solve the next question of home assignment, which was given between 2nd to 7th of November, and that is question number 4, editing. So the question is here in front of you. It's an editing question, an editing one, where we have to find out the incorrect word and we have to replace with the correction. Here incorrect word and here correction. Clear? So let us start. As we know that for editing or for omission, whatever the question is given or they give the question, it is one paragraph. It means I mean to say that each and every sentence is not different or separate one. Each and every sentence is linked with the next one, another sentence. So that's why before giving the answers, before going for the answers, read the paragraph carefully. So let us start here whether the paragraph is given in present tense, in past tense, in future, that we need to see here. Now let us start. Educationists today are overwhelmingly concerned about the future of the youngsters. The common complaint is students doesn't study, that they are not interested. It means we can understand this paragraph is given in present tense. It talks about the present thing or the condition. So now here educationists today are overwhelmingly. Here are is coming plural, and here we have written here mentioned educationist, only one single. So that's why here we can make it plural here. Here in incorrect you will mention this word educationist. Here in incorrect, and here in correction you will mention educationist as. It means you will add s here. Clear? In incorrect word in this column you will mention this word educationist, and here in correction you will mention s here. You will add s. Clear? Now coming to the next one. Educationists today are overwhelmingly concerned about the future of the youngsters. Once again R is used. It means perfection is coming here. Are overwhelmingly concerned. This is the incorrect word here. Here we have to add ed, concerned. Here in answer will come concern. Ed, concern. Concern about the future of the youngsters. The common complaint is, it's a present tense paragraph. Common complaint is students doesn't. So what is the incorrect word here? Students plural is used. So after plural, that we do not take doesn't here. It means doesn't is the incorrect word. This is the error. Incorrect word. So instead of doesn't, what will come here? Don't. Students don't. Instead of doesn't. The common complaint is students. This is the incorrect word. Doesn't you will write here, and correction here. So students don't study. That is, they are not interested. Up to this one here it is clear, there is no mistake. They are not interested. Some blames. Now some there is no problem, but here because here some is used, so that's why here we cannot take it plural here, blames. It means this is the error. So instead of blames, what will come then? Blame, because some is used here. So in correction you will write blame. It means no need to write s. Blame. So some blame exposure to the media. Others feel that the. It means in this line there is no error. Clear? In this line there is no error. After that, others feel that the present generation are not serious enough. So what is the error then here? What is the mistake? The present generation are not plural here. It means this is the error. The present generation we say is not. It means here instead of are is welcome. The present generation is not serious enough. The CBSE expresses this concern of. Instead of is the incorrect word. Here for will come. Instead of for will come. So you will write of here and for here in correction. So the CBSE expresses this concern for reviewing the syllabus for time to time. So it is clear here. We cannot say, generally we do not say that we will review the syllabus for time to time. We say from time to time. So incorrect word is for and the correction is from. It means instead of this for, from will come here in correction. From time to time. The idea is to build a complete personality of an individual. Here there is no need to add s. This is the error, incorrect word. So you will mention only individual here. No need to add s. Individual. Remove s. So now children, in this way, this is the solution of question number 4 editing, which is given in this week, 2nd November to 7th. Question number 4 editing. I hope now it is clear to you. Thank you, students.